Welcome to the YouTube channel of Shet Vidya Mandir English High School. Dear children of class 7th CBSE, myself Rashmi, your science teacher, and today we will revise chapter number 5, Acids, Bases and Salts. Children, now we will study about the name of the acids which are found in different substances. For example, acetic acid is found in vinegar, tartaric acid in tamarind, formic acid in ant sting, citric acid in citrus fruits, lactic acid in curd, oxalic acid in spinach, ascorbic acid in amla. Children, as we had already studied that the presence of excessive acids in the rain is called as acid rain. The rain becomes acidic due to the presence of different pollutants such as carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide. These acids dissolve in rainwater to form carbonic acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid respectively. The molecular formula for carbonic acid is H2CO3. The molecular formula for sulfuric acid is H2SO4. And the molecular formula for nitric acid is HNO3. Reaction between dilute sulfuric acid and lime water. Children, this reaction is the example of the neutralization reaction. When dilute sulfuric acid is added to the lime water, calcium sulfate and water is formed with the evolution of heat. Children, here the calcium sulfate is the salt. Now the equation we will write it down. H2SO4 plus CaOH twice gives you CaSO4 plus H2O plus heat. Here H2SO4 is sulfuric acid, CaOH twice is calcium hydroxide and it is also called as lime water. CaSO4 is the calcium sulfate which is the salt, H2O is the water. Reaction between dilute hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide. Children, this is the next example of the neutralization reaction. As we all know, in the neutralization reaction, the acid and base react with each other to form salt and water, and in this process heat is evolved. Now we will see the example. When dilute hydrochloric acid is added to the sodium hydroxide, sodium chloride and water is formed with the evolution of heat. Here sodium chloride is the salt, hydrochloric acid is the acid and the sodium hydroxide is the base. Hence HCl plus NaOH when they react with each other gives you NaCl plus H2O plus heat. Here HCl is your hydrochloric acid, NaOH is your base and the name of the base is sodium hydroxide. NaCl is your sodium chloride which is a salt and H2O is your water.